बाहों को दीजिए थोड़ी फुर्सत भी मेरी जहाँ कभी बाहों को दीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए वक्त बर्बाद न बिन बात की बातों में कीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए दिलबर की आँखों का दीदार ना किया क्या खाक हो जिया जिसने प्यार ना किया दिलबर की आँखों का दीदार ना किया क्या खाक हो जिया जिसने प्यार ना किया ना किया ना किया जिसने प्यार ना किया क्या किया क्या किया क्या किया जिसने प्यार ना किया बन जाएगी ये बन जाएगी रे तेरी दुल्हनिया बन जाएगी ये बन जाएगी रे तेरी दुल्हनिया मुझे लगे ना नजरिया मैंने ओढ़ी चुनरिया मुझे लगे ना नजरिया ओढ़ी चुनरिया मेरा ही दीवाना मेरे दिल के फिदाए बनूंगी मैं दुल्हनिया मेरा ही दीवाना मेरे दिल के फिदाए बनूंगी मैं दुल्हनिया
Girl, you're my chamacacello. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamacacello. Shorty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamacacello. Yes, I sharmana, aja nach ke dikhane. हाँ मेरी होले आजा पारी दा जिराने. हाँ मेरी अखियों से अखियाँ मिला ले. हम तू ना नखरे दिखा. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. Wanna be my chamacacello. तू मेरी चमकचलो तेरी पिक्चर का मैं हीरो Give it to me दिल मुझको दे दो You can be my चमकचलो Shorty I'm gonna get ya You know I'm gonna get ya Maybe I'll even let you be my चमकचलो कैसा शर्माना आजा नच के दिखा दे हाँ मेरी होले आजा पारी दा जिराने हाँ मेरी अखियों से अखियाँ मिला ले हाँ तू ना नखरे
indahlah nan salpo itu. Dek hanya takut menjalia udah. Acak mabuk-mabukan. Dan marilah salpo menjalia udah bakawan. Basora soko kado. Bidin nai diamkan.
Awado ini anak.
A big round of applause for the girls.
Jawa tambah peningat jelas gaya.
Journey. Over the past 2 days, we have witnessed outstanding cricket, great sportsmanship, and most importantly, the power of our community coming together through the love of this game. None of this would have been possible without the support of our sponsors, partners, volunteers, players, families, and supporters. Your contribution has helped all of us make this season 2 a tremendous success. I would now like to name our sponsors. This event has been sponsored mainly by Classic Carpets. Our co-sponsors are KTL International Indonesia, PT Gokak Indonesia, PGI Data, JVR, Jayata Consulting, Udupi by Ratna Forever Hospitality, Swastik Mart, PT Finsure Consulting, Bank of India Indonesia, AK Grains, Winder and Shotex. We also would like to extend our special thanks to Mr. Karthik Sundar, Mr. Vinayak, Mr. Hitesh Kap, Mr. Kamath, Mr. Sudarman Shetty, Mr. Abhijit Hegde and Mr. Avinash. May I kindly invite our distinguished guests to join us on stage. Please welcome with a warm round of applause, Mr. Sohail. I would request Mr. Sampath to present a token of our appreciation to Mr. Sohail. Sampath we have Mr. Anurag Singh with us. Requesting Mr. Sampath again. Okay. Next we have Mr. KSB Chandramouli. Requesting Mr. Nandan to present and welcome Mr. Chandramouli. Next up we have Mr. Ashok Kumar. Requesting Mr. Sandesh to welcome Mr. Ashok Kumar. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Chandrasekharan. Requesting Mr. Vidyadhar to please welcome Mr. Chandrasekharan. Can I request Mr. Suresh Subramanian to join us? Requesting Mr. Sukesh Shetty to please welcome Mr. Suresh. Next, I'd like to welcome Mr. Sandeep Koyana. Requesting Mr. Prajwal to welcome him. Next up, we have Mr. Prashant Shetty, requesting Nandan to welcome Mr. Prashant Shetty. Requesting Mr. Hitesh Kaup to please step forward. Mr. Sampath, could you please welcome Mr. Hitesh?
Next Matthew.
Next, can we have Mr. Matthew? Requesting Sukesh Shetty to welcome Mr. Matthew.
Anna.
Next, can I have Mr. Amar Kapadia? Requesting Mr. Sandesh to welcome Mr. Kapadia.
Sir, sir.
Next, can I have Mr. Vineet Shah?
Call Mukesh.
Mr. Vineet Shah. Okay, I'm so sorry he's not here.
Mukesh.
Can we have Mr. Mukesh?
Suren wait. Ratan.
Can we request Mr. Ratan to welcome Mukesh sir?
Suren Ketan.
Next, can we have Mr. Suren?
Sukesh Anna. You okay?
Next, can we have Mr. Chetan Shetty? Requesting Mr. Sampath to present Mr. Chetan Shetty. Welcome Mr. Chetan. And lastly, we'd like to request Mr. Pallav to please join us. Yeah. Chair. Well, can I request Mr. Sampath to welcome Mr. Pallav? Thank you so much for joining us on stage. Before we proceed with the awards, I would like to invite our honored guests to share a few words with us. Would you all like to speak, or do you want to pick yourself? Or should I pick for you? Okay. I think we can all speak a few words. Let's begin with Mr. Suresh sir. So if you could share a few words with us.
Firstly, thank you for inviting me. And this is the second edition. I was here the last year, and I think it's getting better every year. And it's great to see, so many kids and families here. And thank you to all of you for supporting cricket in Indonesia. The cricket was exciting. I think GSA can learn a bit from that, make it a bit more exciting. I watched the semi-finals, last 2 ball sixes, really nice. So well played. Instead of Jimmy Aja, now we should say Jimmy Mata, right? He was like, he was phenomenal. Well played, Jimmy. Really good. Thank you, and keep this going. Really nice to see.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Before we go ahead, I would like to request Mr. Avinash to join us. Please, Mr. Avinash. Requesting Mr. Sampath to, Mr. Sukesh to welcome Mr. Avinash. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Avinash. Okay. Now, can we have Mr. Ashok Kumar to say a few words?
I just would like to congratulate the winning team and the runners team. And I think it has been well performed and a good game. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next up, can we have Mr. Sohail to share a few words?
Hi, good evening, guys. Wonderful tournament, and it was good to see the finals. Also, I got to see my favorite player, Kiruba, after a long time. Yeah, but it's only getting better, and hopefully we continue to support cricket here in Jakarta. All the best, well performed, well played, and hopefully we see you in the next edition as well. God bless.
Thank you so Thank you so much, Mr. Sohail. Can we have Mr. Chandramouli?
Salamat Sore. It was extremely entertaining tournament over here. I'm so thankful. So many, all of them who have participated really fiercely competed. It was very not only entertaining, but it was like we are playing some mini World Cup kind of thing. So congratulations to all the team members of all the teams. It's not just one or two teams that made this team successful. Actually, it's a event that I would be missing if I don't play in the next edition of your tournament. So we actually participate as a BOI Stars just to ensure that we have some visibility amongst you, our community. But I never knew we will reach the finals and semi-finals. It was icing on the cake actually. So I think it was well worth it. So whatever we sponsored, we got more than that. That's the icing on the cake. And thank you so much, all the sponsors, all the members, all the volunteers who had worked so hard to make this event a very successful one. And very also thankful that you have invited me here and allowed me to speak a few words. Once again, a great tournament, memorable one, especially for us. We never expected we will cross the preliminary league and we ended up reaching the finals. It was a big surprise for me as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, can we have Mr. Chandrasekharan?
Good evening all. First of all, I would like to congratulate to the champion team SDM and also the runner-up boy team. Honestly speaking, I'm happy to see the way this tournament is being progressed. Not even a year, they come up with the season 2. So the big hats off to the DSK team, which is Danesh, Sambat and Kumar. I know, and also and company, and group. Really, I feel thanks to you guys for organizing such a nice event, such a short time. And once again, all the teams who played phenomenal. The whole 2 days are like festive. So once again, thanks for inviting us on behalf of Jakarta Cricket Association and all other sponsors here. We'd like to thank you all. Thanks to the competitor. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Requesting Mr. Matthew to say a few words.
Hi, good evening. Wonderful cricket, wonderful crowd, and some big shots of sponsors. Thank you so much. I think this tournament is going to become a professional tournament in few years. I hope all the players will get more chances. Anyway, it is fantastic to be here. Nice to see you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next, can we have Mr. Amar Kapadia?
Excellent work by Dhanesh and the team, and congratulations winning team also. Good luck for the next tournament also, Dhanesh.
Thank you so much. Next, can we have Mr. Prashant Shetty?
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to appreciate the organizers and all the team members who have put great efforts to make this event come true. And also, I would like to congratulate the winning team. Wonderful job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, can we have Mr. Pallav say a few words?
Hey, Hindi wala. No, it's my second year this year in the JPL. And first of all, congrats to BOI. Honestly, we never thought you guys are going to make it to finals. Never, okay? Especially after your first game. We thought you guys are out. Okay? But then what you guys did, Sherawan, Mazhar, and Rishikesh sir, and that man sitting right there, Sai. Lovely. Awesome. Now these guys were the favorites. Okay? Mr. Sampath, the world-class player. Mr. Dhanush, another world-class player. These guys were famous. But what you guys did, and the upset in semis, hats off, guys. Well done. And let me tell you one more thing. I am now 38 years old, but I have never seen as insane hitting. मैंने ऐसा अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं देखा जो जिमी ने मारा है. It is unbelievable. अनबिलीवेबल, कभी नहीं देखा और मेरे ख्याल से कभी देखेंगे भी नहीं। वैभव सूर्यवंशी भी कल आया था ग्राउंड में और उसने देखा और उसने कहा भाई हैट्स ऑफ टू जिमी। लवली लवली जिमी, वेल डन, मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट फॉर श्योर। And thank you everyone for giving all of us an opportunity to be part of this wonderful cricket fraternity. Thank you so much. We love it. We love you all. We love ourselves. And thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pallav. Next, can we have Mr. Anurag?
सबने यहाँ पर इंग्लिश में बात की, मैं हिंदी में बात करूँगा। सबसे पहले मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा दिनेश और उनकी टीम को। ऐसा टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज, मतलब मैंने तो नहीं खेला था, और इस तरीके का टूर्नामेंट जकार्ता जैसी जगह में, बहुत हैट्स ऑफ टू यू। आई थैंक यू टू ऑल द स्पॉन्सर्स टू ऑर्गेनाइज दिस टूर्नामेंट। ये मेरा लास्ट मैच था जकार्ता में और मतलब थोड़ा सा इमोशनल भी हो रहा हूँ। 3 साल मैंने जकार्ता में रहा और क्लास 10th के बाद मैंने क्रिकेट यहीं पे खेला। मैंने एक तरीके से अपनी लाइफ जी है यहाँ पर। थैंक यू जकार्ता एंड थैंक यू टू द क्रिकेट फ्रेटर्निटी ऑफ जकार्ता टू गिविंग मी चांस टू प्ले एंड लिव माई ड्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, Mr. Anurag. Next, can we have Mr. Hitesh?
Good evening, everybody. It's nice to see so many people gathered here just for one word, that's cricket. I really appreciate Mr. Dinesh. He has always been a hard follower of cricket. He and his team, I really congratulate for all the hard work you have done, and I really appreciate for you to inviting me, and congratulations to the winning team, and try next time BOI, yeah. And all I would say, I would like to change to Jakarta Indian Premier League, yeah. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, can we have Mr. Chetan to share a few words?
Hi, good evening, everyone. I don't know why you want to hear everybody talking. Let's give the prizes. JPL final is done. IPL final is coming today evening. But let me tell you one honest thing. Last year, when was the first time you organized? Okay, you know, one time people can do. But when you do it again next year, you know there is a lot of effort behind it. So congratulations to you, Danesh, Sampath, Sukesh, and the whole team. Last time, I don't think BOI team was there, right? So this is your debut and you're already in the finals. So looks good. So hopefully season 3 is bigger. Wish you guys all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Next, can we have Mr. Avinash to share a few words? Mr. They keep saying not me. Sir, Mukesh, sir.
Thank you everyone for coming here. I think Danesh and team have done a tremendous job. You know, especially for people outside of India, we know that how difficult it is to find cricket outside India. And to have organized such an occasion for people like us who love cricket so much and able to play, you know, enjoy with the family and everything, I think a tremendous job for done by Danesh and his team. Congratulations to SDM team. They were, of course, the best team here, you know, accumulated all the stars of cricket in Indonesia. So deserving winners. And BOI team, of course, amazing cricket by them. Very fighting team. They won a few tournament few days back. They won it, I mean, they reached the finals again. So deserving finalist. Congratulations to everyone.
Thank you so much for your kind words, everyone. Before we proceed with the formal presentation, we'd like to present a small token of appreciation to Kripa, the only female player representing, in the JPL, her team BOII Stars. She's a state player from Odisha, and her dedication and achievements are truly inspiring. Kripa, please join us on stage. Let's give her a big round of applause. I'd request Mr. Rajamouli to present the token of appreciation to Kripa. Yes. That's why you get it.
A big round of applause, guys.
All the very best to you, Kripa. We hope to see you representing India soon. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the awards presentation. Let us celebrate the outstanding performances, dedication, and achievements of our players and team. May I request our guests to assist us in presenting the awards as we announce our winners. We begin with the main one, the best batsman. Any guesses?
Jimmy. Aja.
One name here. It's Mr. Jamshed Akhtar. Now I'd like to request Mr. Sohail to present the award to Mr. Jamshed. Mr. Amar, could you please present the bat to Mr. Jamshed? It is sponsored by AK Grains. A bat for the hard hitter. Congratulations, Mr. Jamshed. कुछ तो बोलिए. Next up, we have the best bowler. Any guesses, everyone?
Russia!
Favorite Mr. Vishal. Requesting
Our beloved Mr. Russia.
for the best bowler. Mr. Matthew.
Fast bowler of Jakarta. History.
What a bowler.
फिलहाल के लिए मैं दो शब्द कहना चाहूँगा. इनको हम गैलेक्सी ऑर्बिट के नाम से भी बुलाते हैं बॉलर, क्योंकि इनकी जब बॉल आती है तो वो इस ब्रह्मांड में नहीं होती है, वो कहीं तो अंतरिक्ष से ऊपर आके नीचे गिरती है. और ऐसे बॉलर सदियों में एक ही बार आते हैं. आपको ये ऐसे बॉलर दिखेंगे भी नहीं. मुझे याद है वो एक मैच चल रहा था और जॉनी हमारा सबसे जो फास्ट बॉलर है वो करे जा रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. ये भाई साहब आए, इन्होंने ये किया और विकेट मिल गया. तो भाई साहब आप महान हो. बट यू कंटिन्यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग बिकॉज यू आर गुड एट इट. थैंक यू.
So much, Mr. Vallabh. Congratulations, Mr. Vishal. And now for the best fielder. Any guesses? Any guesses? I can't hear you. Okay, it is Mr. Harish. Requesting Mr. Hitesh to present the award to Mr. Harish.
Seems like SDM has bagged all the awards.
And now, the main man, the man of the series. I don't think we have any doubts about who this will be going to. I'd like to call Mr. Jamshed Akhtar on stage. और इस बार आपको बात भी करना है जमशेद भैया।
The man, the myth and the legend. Jimmy.
मिस्टर चेतन।
जिम्मी आजा बोलना नहीं तो अवार्ड नहीं मिला। कुछ भी बोल।
ट्रॉफी बाद में, पहले माइक।
जी दिनेश भाई, आपका बहुत शुक्रिया, इतना अच्छा टूर्नामेंट कराया आपने, बहुत मज़ा आया खेल के एसडीएम के साथ। थैंक यू एसडीएम वरुण भाई, थैंक यू।
Hello.
Congratulations, Mr. Jamshed. And now, the runners-up, the team that was amazing throughout the tournament after a rough start. We'd like to request the BOII stars to come up on stage to collect their runners-up trophy. Requesting Mr. Prashant and Mr. Suresh to present the runners-up trophy.
Can't feel this floor between us. I cannot stay with you no
A big round of applause to BOII stars. Thank you.
Don't know. We and SDM had a deal. Box cricket ours, JPL yours.
Okay, and now for the winners for JPL Season 2, welcoming SDM United, requesting all our esteemed guests to present the trophy together to the team. Please, let's welcome the team SDM United.
Woo! Woo! Mr. Pala running towards the...
Led by Varun Rawat, the captain. Mr. Varun, he assembled the team, and one by one I will introduce each member of SDAM who's a star in themselves. Mr. Varun Rawat, Mr.
Aditya Khambekar,
Aditya, Mr. Gufran, Mr. Pranav, Mr. Harish,
and then Jimmy
Jimmy Urf Jamshed, Mr.
Johnny.
Mr. Johnny Walker, Mr. Kiruba, the star, Mr. Vishal,
Mr. Eresia.
Mr.
Venu.
And Mr. Venu's friend. And Mr. Pallav.
Wait. Let them take the cup first. Cup, let it go to the middle.
We are the champions.
Sorry. Requesting Mr. Varun to share a few words.
Defected.
Hi. First of all, as everybody said, thank you to the organizing committee for organizing JPL Season 2. And I believe it is better than the Season 1. Secondly, of course, because we won, it's better than the last season. And also because most of the players' wives and kids are here, so it brings luck to us. Congrats to the runner-up BOI team. As Ballabhai said, it was really, it's an appreciation for them to reach finals. They performed really well to reach the finals, and they were the team which deserved to be final. And at the end of the day, only one winner can be there. So we won luckily this time. Best of luck to all the teams for the next season, and hopefully next season we win again.
Okay, Anna.
Congratulations, SDAM United.
Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop.
Three cheers to SDM. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Before we wind up, I'd like to invite Mr. Sampath to say a few words. Mr. Sampath, the stage is yours.
Hi everyone. Good evening. A huge congratulations to everyone involved in making JPL Season 2 a tremendous success. Special appreciation to Danish Shetty for organizing this fantastic event that brought 8 competitive teams over 2 exciting days of cricket. And congratulations to SDM and the runners-up BOI Stars. They are the deserving champions of Season 2. The tournament showcased great talent, sportsmanship and competitive spirit throughout. A heartfelt thank you to all the sponsors, supporters, volunteers and participants who contributed to help make this event such a memorable success. Your support played a vital role in elevating tournament experience to everyone involved. And JPL continues to grow together, grow stronger with each edition. This season is a testament to the passion for the cricket within our community. We look forward to seeing even more teams participate in our future seasons, and are confident that Jakarta Premium will continue to expand and thrive year after year. Here's to a bigger, better and even more exciting editions of JPL in the future. Well done everyone, and making this season a remarkable event. Thank you so much.
And lastly, I request Mr. Danesh to wind up the event, sharing a few words.
Good evening everyone. Thank you so much for all the teams to make this event very successful. I would like to thank that everyone supported me like as usual. Like last year also I got a very good support from all the teams. Even this year, good success. We are all happy, we all enjoyed cricket for 2 days. End of the day, it is more important that we are playing our passion, we are enjoying our passion. That's what we also want. So I would like to thank each and everyone here, all the guests, all the sponsors. Before winding up, I would like to take sponsors' name once. Jakarta Premier League Season 2, powered by Classic Carpets, co-powered by KTI International Indonesia, PT Gokak Indonesia, PGI Data, JVR Jayata Consulting, Udupi by RF Hospitality, Swastikman, PT Finsure Consulting Indo, Bank of India Indonesia, AK Grains, Winder and Showtix. Also, I would like to thank Kartik Sundar, Mr. Vinayak, Mr. Hitesh, Mr. Kamath and Mr. Avinash. Congratulations to SDAM United for becoming a champion of JPL Season 2. BOII debut, runner-up. Congratulations. Many more to go in cricket. We are always passionate about cricket. We will do more. We will play more. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you so much.
Hey, picture.
Thank you.